Okay, friends, in this video, we are learning how to update phonepe application on your Android mobile. Okay, just open your Play Store application from the menu. Then go to the search page, then search phonepe. Okay, you can see here I'm already installed phonepe and one update is pending. So just tap on update button. Now it is start downloading. Okay, it will be take some seconds based on your internet speed. The speed is low, it will take some minutes. Okay, after installing it will take some seconds to install. Okay, it's based on your Android mobile. If you are a new generation phones, then it will be take some seconds only. So that's very simple. You can see here download is 100% completed and it will wait for the installation, and installation process is started. And I'm using my OnePlus 70. Okay, it's successfully installed. Now you can use your phonepe application. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.